The Pontiac G6, produced from 2004 to 2010, faces significant reliability concerns due to engine, transmission, and electrical problems. Key issues include excessive oil consumption in the 3.5-liter and 3.9-liter V6 engines, leading to potential engine failure. The 4T65E automatic transmission is prone to torque converter and solenoid failures, causing harsh shifting. Electrical issues, often linked to a faulty body control module, BCM, can cause erratic dashboard lights and power window failures. Be wary of these common problems if considering a used G6. Owning a Pontiac G6 long-term presents challenges. Parts are becoming scarcer, increasing repair costs. Frame rust is a concern, especially in regions with road salt. Due to these issues, the G6 is generally considered a high-risk purchase for long-term reliability. If you own one, proactive maintenance, like regular oil changes and transmission fluid flushes, is critical to mitigate these common problems. Many surviving G6s have high mileage, 150,000 to 250,000 miles, so factor in potential repair expenses before buying.